This is the disassembly for the Echo 1 Scar. You will need two different size Allen wrenches for the different screws. First, to take off the stock, you will have to take out the 3 screws on the left, on the top, and on the right. So just pop those off real quick. After I take them off, I like to keep them in order to make sure it's in the same hole. So that's the left one. Top goes in the middle, and the right one. Obviously goes on the right. And then I open this and pop up the cheek rest so I can easily take out the cable which goes through there. That broke earlier. Nothing to worry about, I just lost a screw for it. And then guide it through the second one, which is kind of difficult because it has a weird little lip on the outside. And then it just slides right out. There's another disassembly for you. Spring, then the button. Set that off to the side. Okay, normally if you have a mag in here with BBs, you would have to take this out first. Otherwise, it'll just shoot out all the BBs, which is not fun. Then you just pop out the front pin. Just like that. And the two of them just slide right off. Outer barrel spring, inner barrel spring loaded, so it pops right out. I don't want to mess with the gearbox because it's not fun to put back in. So I'm going to just set that aside. Outer barrel, I had a little issue with it falling off, so I'll put Teflon tape on there. It does not fall off on its own, so I just pulled that right on off. And then this is where the larger one comes in. Pop out the dummy plate. It's right on out. And then larger screw for these two to get off the lower rails. I got that one pretty tight on there because I thought it would help the outer barrel not fall out more. Right one. And then the front. Left one. Then you have to take out the 2 screws up here on the left and on the right to remove this block on the front. And after you do so, we'll be able to remove the lower rails. So left. Right, and then I do it the easy way, and that just pops off all at once. That's the gas block for you right there, and this is the piece that connects the lower and upper receiver and houses the barrel, the outer barrel. One more piece is the charging handle. There's a screw inside here. You'll have to take that out. I like to keep that pretty tight or else this wobbles around. So just pop that out. Comes out in one piece. And there's your charging handle slide. Now complete the disassembly.